Hello again, YouTube. This is Mark with another video, and trying to replace my my door handle. Damn thing broke on the inside. I'm having a little issue getting it out. I've already taken the inside panel off, but that damn thing is so hard to get out of there. I'm trying to get it out, but I know I'll get it out here today. Yeah, so if you ever had that problem, I think I probably should make another video and show how you actually take it out, but I already take this off so far, so let me see how I can get it out of here, and then I'll just show you how it's done. Alright, go. Alright, just as I had said earlier, I'm trying to get my handle off because it broke, and I was trying to figure out a way how to get it off there. The only way you can actually get it out, there's I guess I might have to go in the video, but that's fine. If you look in here, sure in there, you got this right here that's blocking it. So what you want to do is kind of have this kind of drop down behind like that, where it's shaking like that. All right, and then on this side, as you can see now, it's easier to come out. So you bring it down, bring it out like this. There's another rod up here that you already take off from right here, because you can see my thing broke from in here. So I'll just go ahead and let's go ahead and take this off. And there you go, you got this off here. I have the new one. Let's sit down here. I got the new one that I bought from Traction. And I'm sitting here trying to figure out, okay, because you need the original one for your key that you have, so you need this out of there. And as you can see, this is how the new one comes, and all you gotta do is just kind of what they call rekey it, but it's not really rekey. It's just you just taking the old one out and put it in there. So this is how you actually get this out of here. I'm just sitting here trying to figure it out, but if you look behind here, see that they got a little clip behind here. So what you do is just remove that clip like that. Yeah, that clip just comes out like that. Remove that clip, and then from back here, trying to make sure it stays on the same place. You push this thing out. That's your probably that's what you call your tumbler. That's what this is. So it comes out of here. As you can see, you just push it out once you remove the clip from here. You push it out and hold, and I try to hold it like that, because you're gonna need this part out also. Yeah, I guess I ain't trying to figure. Well, there you go. This part just slides out. So we're just gonna put this in here. Remove this. It's plastic. Yeah, I got a chrome one. So you just remove that. Stick this in here. This keyway, from what I saw, it was on the bottom side of it. So you just stick this back in here. Yeah, here we go in. I guess you really can't make a mistake on it, because you got a couple of them that's bigger than some of them. Let's see here. Well, I guess on this, as you can see, look. Yeah, they make it where it snap right in this time. Oh, snap. Oh, okay. Oh, because they already got the clip in there, so it just snap right in. So, and then you just take this from here and stick it. Well, I think I did that wrong. I guess I should have put this in first. Alright, so, well, I guess you'll learn as you go along, I guess. Alright, I'm going to remove the clip again. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Let's see if I can. There we go, it comes out. So I take that out. I'm probably just gonna put the clip back in and split in place so it just snaps right back in there when it goes in. Yeah, come on. Alright, so I put the clip back in. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll just stick this in here. I think even on my other one it broke. It's alright, so I guess there we go. It's in. Because this is where you're gonna connect that lever back to. So if you see on here, you see you got a wider section here, you got a smaller section here, and a smaller section here. I guess this probably, you could probably turn this down, because I think what it was down, but see, it won't even go in. So I'm assuming then that the bigger side goes up top. That's bigger side right here. See, and it snaps right in. Okay, so I guess we're good to go. So I guess what I'll do now, right? It's right there. That should do it up. Alright, so we come back up here and we get this right here and we stick it. Come back here. That's where it goes, right in here. You put it in. Bring it all the way around. And I guess you just snap it like in, just like you got it out. And try to get this out the way. But before you do that, you want to make sure this other lever gets in here. So what I do, I got a long needle nose pliers, and I work it in here, just like that. Just like that, just goes right in there. Whoops, just throw the shit all over the place. Oh yeah, there's something that I needed to tell you too. You got to make sure this right here, the lock section, is you're loosening it so you can get leverage to bring this down and up. Because once you put it in there, here you go, you bring it down, and then at this point, see, this is loose to the point where you can get it in afterwards, after you tighten these up. And that's basically it. Alright, pause.